Navigating the world of online shopping can sometimes lead to second thoughts. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your Shein order effectively and seamlessly. Begin by opening the Shein app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your personal account to access your order history. Once logged in, navigate to the Me tab located at the bottom of your screen. Within this section, look for and select My Orders. This will pull up a list of all your past and current orders. Identify the specific order you intend to cancel. Tap on the order to view its details. Within the order details, a Cancel Order button should be visible. Tap it to begin the cancellation procedure. You will be prompted to confirm your decision and possibly provide a reason for the cancellation. After confirming, Shein will initiate the cancellation process, typically issuing a refund to your original payment method. Remember, cancellation is only possible if the order hasn't shipped, so act promptly. Track the refund status within the ad. Upon successful cancellation, the order status will be updated to cancelled. Also, keep an eye out for information regarding the refund processing time. Generally, the refund will reflect within a few business days, and there you have it. Canceling your order is quick, granting you control and peace of mind.